Allegri believes that Sevilla Football Club is just one among of the dangerous football club in Europa League, as they have won that title for 4 times. As in fact, he respects, and he is just saying that it's very difficult to have the great opponent like Sevilla Football Club. Massimiliano Allegri says it's time now to show them how football is. It's a time now for Juventus Football Club to play well and win this title, because it's one among of the great titles in the world. As Europa League is just a league that everybody wants to win, but in fact, he used to say that they played very poor as in today's match, and it was just one among of the poor performance. This is just Angel Di Maria, the player of the Argentina national team, the one who won the World Cup 2022 in Qatar. He is just speaking